Hello, you're welcome to this video. In this particular video, I want to quickly show us how you can send super chats or super stickers on YouTube during a live stream. Super chats and super stickers, they are like flowers or gifts that you send to somebody during his live stream that are being converted to money, right? So once a channel is monetized on YouTube, it qualifies to receive super chats or super stickers, and depending on the location as well. It also depends on the location. There are locations that you will not be able to send the stickers or super chats. Understand? So this is how it goes. Once you join a live stream like this,
any woman looking for the fruit of the womb, that is what the Lord just put in my heart. No matter what the medical report.
Okay, you can see when you scroll down, you go to the chat box, you can see this dollar sign here. You can see saying show your support to. So it's a way to support your creators on YouTube. So you simply click on this sign. You're going to show up. You can see super stickers and super chat. So you choose the one you want to send. If you click here, for instance, it's going to show up. You can see, hey, you, cool. You see the amount. How much is going to cost you? $2, $2, $3, $3, $5, $4. You can see $10. You can see $20. You can see up to $50. So super chats or super stickers, you can send up to an amount of $50. So you can simply just click on this or anyone that you want to send, and then you're going to send to your creator that particular amount. Okay, so you can get back, you want to send maybe a super chat, just click here and it's going to open up. You see the amounts. You can decide which amount you want to send. You can actually see so you can send up to $500, you see, and then you enter the particular message that you want that's to appear like a super chat in the chat box of the creator, and then you take buy and send, and it's going to go through. That's it. So if you look at the charts, you may see some super chats. They appear with different highlights. They are highlighted. They are highlighted during the live stream. Let's see if we can see some here. There are some super. Okay, you can see this highlighted. Okay, 1.99 pound. You see, it's highlighted. That's a super chat. You can scroll and see others. So that's how you can do that. Thank you for watching, and God bless you, and see you in our next videos. Shalom. God bless you.